Kickstart your data science career.
Data science is one of the fastest growing fields today. Whether you're a beginner or looking to advance, choosing the right online courses is essential for reaching your career goals. Discover some of the most reputable and effective online programs that can help you develop core skills, connect with industry trends, and stand out in the job market.
Essential foundations: statistics and Python.
Strong foundations are vital for data science success. Courses like Coursera's Introduction to Data Science and edX's Data Science Essentials teach fundamental concepts in statistics, Python programming, and data analysis. These beginner-friendly courses help you build the groundwork necessary for more advanced topics and hands-on data projects.
Mastering data analysis and visualization.
Data analysis and visualization skills turn raw data into valuable insights. Programs such as Applied Data Science with Python by the University of Michigan and DataCamp's Data Visualization with Python guide you through tools like Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn, preparing you to work with real-world datasets and communicate findings effectively.
Advancing with machine learning and AI.
Machine learning drives many data science applications. Courses like Coursera's Machine Learning by Andrew Ng and Udacity's Intro to Machine Learning provide comprehensive, hands-on instruction in algorithms, model building, and evaluation. These programs are highly recommended for anyone looking to deepen their expertise and tackle complex problems.
Specialized courses and career credentials.
Specialization helps you stand out. Platforms like IBM's Data Science Professional Certificate and Google's Data Analytics Professional Certificate offer structured learning paths and industry-recognized credentials. These multi-course programs cover topics from data wrangling to cloud computing, providing both breadth and depth for ambitious data science professionals.
Chart your path forward.
Selecting the right courses is a key step toward data science career growth. Start with foundational topics, progress to advanced skills, and consider pursuing industry certifications. Consistent learning and practice are essential for success in this evolving field. With the right online courses, you'll be well equipped to advance your data science career.